Hey guys, Nico1230 here. Today we're going to be doing Euro Truck Simulator 2 with my friend Cowie here. We're going to be taking a long trip. He's going to say hi for a second. Say hi.
What's up?
And we have our nice trucks here. We're going to be carrying a tanker to... what is it called?
Bratislava.
Is it really spelled like that?
Yep, and it's in Slovakia.
Okay. Bratislava. Okay.
Bratislava.
Bratislava.
Ignore the idiot in the background.
Where is he?
He is completely clueless on how to drive a truck.
Yeah, actually that's another thing I want to bring up. We are in Europe currently. Not driving on the left side, luckily, because that's all the way in the UK. But we're in Euro Truck Sim, so the driving and traffic's a little bit crazier. I can see the clueless.
Get the fuck out of here!
On this guy. Look at this!
Alright, just pull up for him. Let's pull up for him.
Okay.
He's trouble-minded, so let's just pull up.
But, you know, they actually suck driving in Europe, clearly, because this game represents their driving, I would say so. So, we're going to hope that we don't get into any kind of traffic, well, too much traffic, or any kind of accidents. But if we do, you know, we'll just hope it doesn't happen. This is going to be a long trip, so you guys are going to get very limited footage. However, you will get most of us on the road. I'll save you guys the good parts. You don't want to see the parts where things get a little ugly. Let me just take a look at Cal's face right here. Look at that. Look at his face. Is this guy speaking to us?
No. Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Alright. Let's do it.
Want me to take lead?
Yeah, sure.
I lied.
Alright. You're more important.
Yeah, of course.
And just for those of you who play GTA, you guys know what Cluck and Bell is. But if you don't, you're new. Sorry.
Idiots. Processed meat.
Alright. Oh, he's following us now.
Yeah, hope he's not going to Bratislava too, because he's going to be in for a ride. Shouldn't get too much traffic going this way though. Not a lot of people go this far from whatever.
This is only like 800 too. 800 people right now.
Yep.
There's usually full servers, which things get a little hectic at that time. Which hopefully next video I get a view of us doing this. Hopefully it'll be a little more traffic, because then it gets a little more interesting. Alright, let me. There we go. Once we got nothing on here, I'll get this right up, so you're free.
Come down here, pull over.
I don't see him. I don't see him. We're going 142 into 90.
You're going 142?
Yeah.
Alright.
You're going way more than that, I can tell.
Yeah, I'm only going 145.
Did you answer his honk rating?
Yeah, I did. He's a crazy one.
Oh man. No. We don't need
Did you wreck?
No, we don't need tipping today. We're going 135 into 90 right now.
Yeah, you'll get banned for hacking if you do tipping, so.
Yeah, and this is this is what's it called? Europe, so they go in kilometers, I believe.
Yeah. Some guy over here, you can pass him, he's going really slow. Alright, well, he just went all over.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
God, man.
Oh my god.
And now he's complaining.
Is that him talking?
Yeah, but he didn't even use turn signals or anything.
He didn't even use, he's not even using English.
What's his ID?
250.
Oh, I wrecked, by the way.
Oh shit, yeah, I'm about to wreck too. Ooh, I got it. Oh, you're gonna make me wreck right now.
Oh,
no, don't reverse. Jesus Christ.
I'm a professional driver, don't worry. Let me see if that was the guy. No, that was not him, I don't think so.
Oh, you liar, okay.
No, maybe it was him. He probably F7.
Oh my god, of course you wrecked here. I'm so lucky that I slowed down right there.
Maybe he was saying filmed, like most people do. Wreck, you know?
Yeah.
Like they recorded you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Not enough time because I'm gonna have to go over to pass this guy.
Man, some of them are just... Oh, yeah, he actually put his speed on there. He's going 90.
Oh, shit!
Watch the light, dude. Hey,
You have to be an idiot, man. I'm sorry, but you
Did he
have
hit
to
you?
be-
Did he hit
have
you?
to be an idiot.
Did he hit you?
Yes, he hit me. He drove into me.
Are you stopped?
I'm on the guardrail. Oh my god. Please turn around real quick. Come back here and look at this. I might just show you when the video is published, but
I'm turning around. Don't worry, I can turn around up here. I'm coming back.
inside of the guardrail. Well, no, I mean like reverse into the shoulder and just keep backing up, maybe.
No, I just went over to the opposite lane.
Oh my god, what an idiot! And I think he's still okay, isn't he? Oh no, he flipped too. He flipped too.
You could report him for reckless driving.
I could. I think it's 272. Let me see. 272 DAFA R. Yeah, that's him. I'm gonna report his ass. And I actually have video recording. Perfect. So I'm just gonna say that too.
Oh yeah, you have video recording. You could snip it and then send it over to the administrators.
Ramming. I can only report him for 3 things at a time. Oh my god.
Actually, I'll go further down the road and see if I can turn
Do
around.
you see me? Trailer? Ah.
How much damage?
30%. I think I just
That's-
lost the shipment.
It's whatever. We're still going to Bratislava.
Yeah. It's still content.
Well,
Okay.
wait
What
a
an
minute.
asshole. I hate these people sometimes.
Alright, just send in that recording ASAP. Anyway, so get on whenever you get on the highway little deal, you know.
Yeah. Oh, you
Just
didn't
keep-
go to the service with me?
No, no, I didn't because literally it's gonna take you the same way. Just keep going and you'll eventually meet up with me.
Alright.
Here, so.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, now
see.
I can start speeding up. You don't just fly past me. Actually, slow down because you know.
You know. What? Tell me what I know.
Because I'm leading. If I have to get if I have to get banned again because I'm gonna. Oh, by the way, this is where I got banned.
Oh, really?
Yep, right here.
That's bridge, right? Suspension bridge?
Yep.
I just got 1% damage, but it's not a big deal.
Yeah.
I almost tipped.
So, yeah, that's kind of what I did. I used that little area and yeah, banned for hacking.
I love how you were so serious.
Oh, snap.
Oh snap! Yeah, 125 is a pretty sketchy.
Oh, we're joining here.
No! Take it easy. Take it easy.
Just a blank there. I didn't realize we were turning there until the last second.
I know. Same. The GPS was not very. GPS was not very reflective.
Bro, keep your wheels on the ground, please.
Keep all four wheels in the ground.
How quick are you going, bro?
100.
Oh, okay. I'm hitting 110 right now. Oh.
Please keep all hands and arms inside of the vehicle at all times.
Yep.
As well as four wheels on the road at all times.
Obviously, you're not following that one rule. When we get the chance, man, I'm gonna just slam down trailer stability. I'm gonna put it down all the way. Who cares if I get
I really
banned
like this
again?
road. This road's
Why?
cool. It's like a special color.
It's Europe. They have enough money. Just, you know what, floor it. We're gonna go 150. Alright? We're gonna be one of those little crazy convoy deals.
Is this enough for that?
I don't know. 150. 150.
Alright. My truck doesn't usually go past 143. It's like I've never seen it go further than that. Oh shit, it's going further than that.
Yep.
Okay. Alright, I'm at 150. I'm at 150.
150 is the max speed.
Okay.
Si, senor. How does it go? Si, senor.
That just means yes.
No. Like, I mean, it goes si, senor, and then says Del Rancho.
What is that
Something
from?
like that. That's from a song. It's a meme.
It's a meme. Okay.
Meme.
A Spanish meme?
No, not really. It's not even that funny. I don't really get it.
What is meme in Spanish?
I don't know.
Meme.
I don't know.
Meme. It's probably meme.
They don't know how to laugh.
You need to go faster. You need to go way faster. I'm literally at 145 and I'm literally riding your ass right now.
Do it. You know what? No balls run into me. I'll ban you right now.
Oh god. No, this is going bad. This is going bad. Don't break. Don't break. Don't break. Don't break. Don't break. I'm like about to pass you right now. Can you go to the other lane so I have space to turn?
No, bro. Oh, I'm going 150.
Oh! Relax.
Sorry, I just it felt like my truck was gonna tip, so I decided to get all over the highway.
Alright, I think I earned the title of being in front of you right now, so I'm just gonna take it nice and easy. There we go.
You know I ain't gonna let you pass me, right? I'm gonna hold this down. I'm gonna hold this down. Keep a lane, buddy. Keep a lane.
Trying.
Keep
It's
the
too
lane.
fast. It's too
Okay.
fast. It's too fast. It's too fast.
Oh,
Here we go.
no! Oh God!
This is the end of the road. This is the end.
Hey, hey, are you good up there?
I have 5%.
I may be heavily damaged.
Oh my god. Oh man.
There's like a 40-foot gash in the trailer and it's spewing out gas. So.
You can see it? Let me see. Let me see.
No, you cannot see it. Obviously, I patched it up.
Ooh. God.
Alright, I'm banning you for ramming. You just got banned, bro. Give me a sec.
You rammed into me.
Could we wait maybe 101 seconds? My truck has like 900 damage, so let's just see how far.
Can we go to the service?
No. We're gonna keep going until 100 seconds passes.
Why?
So I can repair my truck. You know what? Just to top it off. Okay, there we go. Just remember that sign.
It says my vehicle has been fixed. Why does it not repair the trailer? It sucks.
That'd be way too overpowered. Oh hey, we can stop at this like gas station and get quote unquote gas. Yeah.
Blinker fluid is not real. Are you dumb?
Yeah, just like headlight fluid.
Oh my god. You're honestly
Nico, you're an idiot.
You watch too much. Okay. You're the idiot here. Do you really want to talk to me about not knowing what blinker fluid is? Listen to yourself.
Blinker fluid is a thing, bro. It makes sense.
It's not. It makes sense, but it's not an actual thing. Okay.
It is. Also, just let's park. Let's park. Let's go ahead and park.
No, you know what? Now that you said that, you don't get to leave this gas station. I wish you would try to leave this gas station. Whoa.
I didn't know you were serious. Okay, first of all, this is not fair. I'm going to report you for blocking.
Hey, you're the one trying to say that blinker fluid exists.
Blinker fluid is a thing.
No, it's not. Once you say it's not a thing, I will let you through. No. The
tables have turned!
No, see, it's mine now. No!
The tables have turned, sir.
The tables have turned. Oh, really? You need to let me move, sir.
I believe the tables have turned.
Are you sure about that?
I am sure about that.
No.
Okay, listen, it's parking time, okay? Hey, what's up, guys? We're back on the road.
What he said.
Alright. Oh, whoa, hold on, we gotta stop for 1 second.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Oh my.
I'll tell you right now, trailer stability, 0%. We finna flip this truck.
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no.
Yeah.
Now that you've become a threat to your truck and the road, this is what happens.
I'm gonna report you.
Says the one who made threats to flip their truck.
Bro, this is just a prank, okay? You don't have to do this. Okay, you know, if you keep doing this, I will offend you.
I'm sorry, you're being a threat to the road. I can't let you go.
Okay.
Have you given up your threats?
Yes, I've turned trailer stability all the way up.
Let's do it.
Yeah,
let's hit the road, Jack.
We heading out. Trailer stability is at 100%. saw that, boy.
Okay, are you ready to go?
No.
Whoa, whoa, relax, buddy. You need to chillax.
No. Let's go. Let's go hit it.
Alright. Something's wrong with my truck. Something's wrong with my truck.
Idiot.
My trailer damage at 34%. Oh. Good times, good times. Erfurt. That's weird.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm sorry. Were you using this lane? My bad.
Whew, this is hot.
Oh wait, you were using this lane. Oh, okay, gotcha. Sketch.
Yeah, those turns are sketch. Look at this one. Okay, that's very small.
Oh yes!
Oh! Thug life. You need to put thug life,
That is,
man.
I know, that is great. Oh my god. I wish that whole thing was on.
Police can't even touch me, man. They afraid.
Satan can't even get you.
Bro, that was an act of God right there.
Make sure you stay all the way in the right lane like a smart guy, because you're going below the speed limit. Okay.
No, actually, I'm gonna get over here because I'm going way too fast. I'll tip on every little corner. I like having the guardrail as support.
Even though it doesn't support you.
It doesn't. It lets me go over every single time.
Or it's just like there's like that one uneven part on the like the way they built it. There's that one uneven like thing where it's sticking out a little bit from the other one, and you
Yeah,
just
and it launches me aside.
Yeah, and then you're. Why such a sketch turn? Jesus, look at that turn on the map. It
Yeah.
just looks so bad.
Mm-hmm. God, I would tip on this if I was going 100.
And the next video, wow, that was such a. Oh yeah, I thought you were stopping for gas. By the way, guys, next video we're probably gonna do. Well, not next video, but in a few more videos after this, probably. Me and Cal are gonna do ATS. Just give you guys a taste of that. And then we'll come back to ETS when there's more traffic, because that's where it gets really fun to drive in. But yeah.
Making 9 minutes, man.
What the hell was that?
What?
The hell was that?
What?
You were like,
Oh yeah, I choked.
Did you choke on a feather? Is there
Yeah.
a feather in your food?
It's a noise that you hardly ever hear.
You choking? I feel like I hear that all the time because it's me choking you.
No. It's okay, Nico. I need to speed
It
up.
looks like you have a nightclub in your trailer or something like that. You're just having a party all day, all night.
Yeah, it's a party going on.
You're a party bus. Oh, really? Really? No, give me some space. Oh, you're going bye-bye. Watch. Dude, are you trying to get banned again?
Look, I'll stop.
You better merge properly.
Yep.
I don't know why, but I like those little bridges like that.
It's very efficient.
It is. Oh! This may be the end. This may be the. Alright. I'm officially better than you at freaking trucking. You didn't witness that, but when you see the video. Oh, beauty. I almost tipped, but I did not tip.
I literally hit that. I hit that turn going 140. So what's your point?
So did I. I think
And
I went 150.
I didn't even tip at all.
I mean, at least I landed it. Unlike you've landed at least one of the 20 that you've done in this video today.
Good point.
Oh, the sketch turn! Sorry, I had to use this lane. Oh, we're having another huge exit turn, so you have to slow down a lot, actually. Except I'm gonna slow down to the last minute.
I'm not gonna slow down because I need to catch up.
Oh no, I got it. You need to hit it at like 115 if you want to make it out. Tipping! Beautiful.
That's what I call a job well done.
That's what I call Amazon overnight shipping.
That sounds about right.
Challenge time.
I'm actually trying not to do this because I know I know the consequences. Yeah, we can play this game.
Oh! It's like a really skinny road back there. Oh, you're gonna hit the grass. You're gonna hit the. Oh!
You got airborne. Oh no!
Oh shit! Oh my god! Wait, look at. Oh, I'm gonna take a nice snapshot of that. That was awesome. You were like angled above. All right, we gotta pull over here. Gotta pull over, ladies and gentlemen. You idiot! No, I can't. You can't just break the law like that, buddy. I'm sorry.
No, you can't.
You're like a European driver, okay? So stop yelling at European drivers when you drive like one. Stop.
Say that again.
Can we please go to the service again?
Just do y/fix.
Oh, okay. Thanks for letting me turn in here. Thanks for letting me turn in here! Oh shit! Did you see what you just did to my truck? You sent my truck down onto the ground. Alright, well, actually we gotta go back to the service.
No, just.
Drop the
No, I'm in Bratislava.
Beautiful turn.
Believe it or not, there are people here.
Ooh. Yeah, because it's Bratislava. Who wouldn't be here? I mean, right?
Nika, the city is practically abandoned. Compared to all the other ones, at least. You know, on second thought, I don't know if I really want to deliver this trailer. It's gonna ruin my rep.
I'm doing it anyway. Wish me
I
luck.
guess.
This is like walking into the principal's office.
You walk there, and the only thing you have is a single tire from the trailer. Just see what they have to say.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, you know what? We're gonna park this shit just for extra XP. Cause we're that
you're
kind
gonna
of
need it. You're gonna need the extra XP. I just thought I'd let you know. At this point, there's no point. I'm just.
Alright, then you know what? This is for you, viewers. This is for you. I'm parking this truck for you, and it's gonna be perfect because it's for you. See? I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet. Stop judging my parking already. I'm not done yet. I'm getting there. There we go.
Don't
Almost
park
there.
it. Don't park it. Don't park it. You will not get any money. You will only get a story.
This is for the viewers right now, okay?
You will not get any money. Just say bye-bye to your reputation.
I don't even have a good reputation anyway.
Good point. Good point.
Alright, you know what? I consider this a park trailer right here. We're gonna decouple right here.
Now,
Oh,
let's
man.
go drive. We're going
Alright.
to drive that.
Are you ready for this? So we got reckless.
Nico?
$226,000 in damage penalty. Now that's my kind of driving. And then 0 XP whatsoever. And 0 money. I like it. That makes me feel so good.
Nico?
Yeah.
Just lifting up my ass, Axel.
Oh, there we go. I'm gonna buy this. Really? God. What's your problem, huh? What's your? Hey, you wanna go, bro? You wanna go, bro? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, man.
Nico, there's some idiot blocking the road.
Yeah, this idiot's got a blank face right now. Look at that face you got. We're two trucks having a standoff.
Yeah.
We're like, square up, boys, square up. Ready? Alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed that shipment. We're gonna end, as we usually do, we end our videos in style, because you know me. So, me and Cow are gonna surprise you with an amazing, what should we call this? An amazing circus. A circus. Amazing show. We got this whole show built up for you guys. Are you ready to see this? The only way you're gonna see it is if I hear you say like, comment, subscribe, and share. Alright, I heard you say it. Now let's get this thing on the road. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yo.